The India Met Department has warned of rainfall over northwest India from the night of 14th of January due to a fresh western disturbance. Now, under its influence, isolated to scattered rainfall or snowfall activity is likely over Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan, Muzaffarabad and Himachal Pradesh between the 16th to the 19th of January. Uttarakhand is also likely to see rainfall activity between the 15th to the 19th of January, while Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan will see isolated rainfall on the 15th and the 16th of January. Punjab, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh are also projected to see isolated hailstorm on the 15th of January. The Weather Monitoring Agency said that a cyclonic circulation lies over Comorin area and neighbouring lower tropospheric levels under its influence. Light to moderate rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm, lightning is very likely at isolated places over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal, Kerala, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu till the 16th of January. According to the forecast department, no significant change in minimum temperatures likely over northwest India during the next 48 hours, and there will be a gradual rise by 2 to 4% thereafter. As per the prediction, cold wave conditions are very likely in isolated pockets over Himachal Pradesh on the 14th of January, and dense to very dense fog condition likely to continue during night and early morning hours in many parts of Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh on the 14th, from the 14th to the 15th, of January, and in Uttar Pradesh till the 15th of January. Dense fog conditions are also very likely to prevail during night and early morning hours in isolated pockets of West Rajasthan, East Rajasthan, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and Uttar Pradesh till the 20th of January. Fishermen are advised not to venture into South Sri Lanka coast and southeast and adjoining Southwest Bay of Bengal and Gulf of Mannar and adjoining Comorin area between 13th to the 16th of January. Right. For more on this, we're now being joined by WION special correspondent Idris Lone, who is joining us live from Srinagar. Idris, thank you so much for joining us. As I mentioned, isolated to scattered rainfall or snowfall activity, it's likely over Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh. What can you tell us about the situation right now and what are we expecting?
Well, we've seen from the last many weeks there has been no respite from the severe cold wave conditions that Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh are basically braving. If we talk about today also, there's a dense fog which has covered the whole of Srinagar city and the adjoining districts as well, which has also led to some drop in the temperatures. If we talk about Srinagar city today, the minimum temperature was recorded at -4.2 degrees, while as if we talk about the tourist places like Pahalgam, which was at -7.8 degrees, Sonmarg was also at -7.8 degrees, Gulmarg on the other hand was at -6.2 degrees. The coldest place in Kashmir division remains Larnu, where the temperature was recorded at -8.2 degrees. If we talk about further up in the north, Ladakh region has been battling with severe cold wave conditions as well. Leh was at -11.6 degrees, while as Kargil was at -12.6. Dras remains one of the coldest places in the whole of North India at -21.8 degrees. And the Met Department has predicted further drop in the temperature for at least next 24 hours. There are chances of some snow and rainfall on the higher reaches and not in the plains that will lead to more drop in the temperature. That means people will have to basically get ready to face the cold across not only Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, but also the northern part of India.
All right, Idris, thank you so much for bringing us the latest on this.